Welcome to this very short lecture, and here what I wanted to talk about is global variables. So maybe you have noticed that you cannot access variables that are inside a function. For instance, I have this function here which will convert miles to kilometers, and then it will return the kilometers value. So if you run this function and you pass a value to it, you get the output. But now, what if you want to access a kilometer variable from the function? So you get a name error. And Python is pretending that kilometers is not defined. The kilometer variable is actually defined, but it's defined inside the function. So Python doesn't look for variables inside the function. However, there is a trick here that you can do. Let me call the function definition again. And what you can do here is to add another line and say global kilometer and execute the function again. Now what this does is that it allows Python to see the kilometer variable outside the function. So now you can use this kilometer variable. For now you cannot access the kilometer variable yet, so you have to call an instance of the function and then you get the variable. So now you're probably thinking, okay, how does this come in handy? What do you want this for? Well, this can be useful when you don't want to execute the function, but you just want the variable and to use it in your code. But you'll understand this better when I show you an example where you apply the concept of global variables. Specifically, what you'll do in the example is create a graphical interface, which looks something like this here. Okay, very simple, but it will do something interesting. So, see you in the next lecture.